Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prioritizing safety and legality. Get that done first. Book an in-person class with an accredited instructor who covers safe handling and range protocol. Once enrolled, make sure your equipment is inspected by the instructor and that storage meets legal requirements. You should not attempt hands-on sighting alone. Instead, focus on learning terminology, point of aim versus point of impact, and how sights relate to zeroing in a supervised environment. Once you have instruction lined up, concentrate on the how and why of sight use without live fire. Learn sight alignment, sight picture, and how adjustments change impact. This conceptual work prevents unsafe experimentation. Make sure to practice dry fire drills under an instructor's watch to build consistent cheek weld and sight tracking. Also, study zeroing principles, what distance you'll zero at, and how elevation or wind might affect point of impact. Finally, perform live fire adjustments only at a licensed range and with a certified instructor overseeing each step. Start with close, controlled shots and make small, measured sight corrections while recording settings. That way you can reverse or reproduce results. Once done, confirm consistency across multiple groups and distances. If you see unexpected dispersion or equipment issues, pause immediately and walk through troubleshooting with your instructor. Do not guess. Professional guidance solves most problems safely and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.